In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a request on CoinMarketCap to update your registered email. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, what you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you regularly use. Once you've got that up and running, type in the web address coinmarketcap.com into the URL bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the homepage of CoinMarketCap. Now, the next step is to log into your CoinMarketCap account. This is essential because you need to have access to your account to update your details or submit any requests. Keep your login information handy, and once you're logged in, you'll notice a three-line menu icon located in the top right corner of the page. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click that to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you'll want to select the Settings option. It's always beneficial to familiarize yourself with the different options here, but for today, just focus on finding Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Security. Click on that. This will direct you to a section where you manage essential aspects of your account's security, providing peace of mind, knowing your information is safeguarded. As you scroll down within this area, keep an eye out for the Customer Service link. Clicking on this will lead you to a new page where you'll have a chance to submit your request. You're almost there. On this new page, find and click the button labeled Submit a Request. Now, it's time to fill out the request form carefully. It's crucial to be diligent here to ensure your request is processed accurately. Start by entering your current email address that's registered with CoinMarketCap. In the subject line, stick to the provided format. For this situation, it would be something like CoinMarketCap account, email, update, request. You'll notice a Terms and Conditions section. Be sure to check the acknowledgement box here, confirming that you agree to the terms stated by CoinMarketCap. After that, there's a field labeled CMC account. Enter your account email once more to verify your identity, then select your platform version, whether you're using the web version, Android, or iOS. This helps them understand where you're accessing your account from. In the description section, clearly state that you are requesting to update your registered email to a new one. If you have proof or any supporting evidence, you should attach it here. Otherwise, you can simply type NA if it's not applicable. Finally, if you have any additional files or important documents that might assist in your request, you can upload those in the attachment section. Once you have completed all these fields and double-check the information for accuracy, go ahead and click the Submit button. And that's it. Your request is now on its way to the CoinMarketCap team. Hopefully, this straightforward guide makes the task easy and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.